This is a Rabbet plane that I made to use in my shop, and you can see just a couple of passes it takes it down. I have it set right now at a quarter of an inch, maybe a little bit more, a quarter of an inch, 5/16, and then you just keep going down and it rides on the fence here until it takes all of this out and creates a rabbet. Nice sharp blade. This is the only thing that I purchased. The rest of this is made from hard maple and everything else that I had in the shop. So I'm going to walk you through some of the steps and how I made this. It's a nice addition. These are really expensive if you buy them yourself or if you buy them from a maker. So I thought it was nice to be able to make my own, and it's kind of nice to have a plane that you handcrafted as well. A quick overview. It has a tote handle made out of hard maple, and it's inset into here with by about a 1/2 inch. And what I did was I just took a 3/8 inch Forstner bit and cut this out to make kind of this mortise in the top of it, and then it fit down inside here. So I drilled here and then finished the rest of it with a chisel. It has the angle cut into here. I did this with a chisel. There is a single blade in here, 1.5 inch blade, that is held in by probably about a 2-inch screw with an Allen wrench head on it and a couple of washers. Keeps it very sturdy. It has the front hand knob here. This was turned on a lathe, or my lathe, and this is also set in about 1 inch. I should say this is set in about 1 inch. This is a 1/2 inch. And this has about 1.25 inch stem that goes down inside of here. I cut this out of the body, this rabbet here, so that the blade would ride inside of here, and this would ride on the top, so it does have a maximum depth if it hits this. And then the fence itself is just a piece of hard maple that has 3 screws with Allen wrench heads on them, so you can loosen all 3 of these and you can move the fence back and forth this way to change the width of the cut. And then the whole piece here is finished with tung oil and then a couple coats of wipe-on poly just to keep it durable.